respected our media friends. This morning we gathered here because without your help and without your support to complete the implementations and then the maintenance, for especially the constructions of the national highway, which NIGCDC is involved. And I had the inspection on the 28th and 29th, especially Dimapur to Kohima and then Kohima to the Chisami Road. We went around because this is one of the pipeline road which is initiated by the center. Now it has to come up and it is taking a long time. Of course, there's natural calamities also. The topography also is giving problems to the contractors as well as to the companies. But at the same time, the efforts, because knowing very well the situations is going to be happen, because like a state like Nagaland or the Northeast, monsoon is unpredictable, natural calamity is unpredictable. But still that the contractors and the company, they also equally need to prepare themselves to fight, to deliver their performance, their construction, their road to the people on time. So taking all this concern, we have taken the intensive inspections on 28th and 29th, along with the administrations and the NIGCDC, and then the NIGDCLC, and then the contractors. Especially, we have focused on this road safety, the road safety measures, because from starting from that Assam border up to Kohima, when we have observed road signals, road safeties are not up to the standard of which NHIDCL is supposed to do it. So the contractors are not coming up to that standard. So we have cautioned the NIGDCLC to strictly emboss as per the guidelines and to bring up the standard of the NIGDCL, which in the other states they are also doing it. So that standard performance has to be there even in the Nagaland state. That is one. Secondly, the maintenance, drainage. Once they constructed their roads, the contractors used to neglect the maintenance of the drainage. And because of that drainage, damage of roads, itu sob to hoi dage. But still then, taikan itu mon ni dia bra. This time, for the last 2 days, we went rigorously imposing to clear up all those within the stipulated time. So we went around. Then the road safety measures, especially from Kohima to that Nagaland border Dimapur road. Road safety, road divider. It will be road divider though. Amagan taikan panai dishe. There they have to plan properly, they have to clean properly. It will be contractor and it will kuranai. So we told them that this has to be immediately kuribo lagibo. Then the road divider, until unless the NIGDCL approves and after examining carefully road safety tigirnahi ido amagan ido road divider di crossing road to olago pare. But here what we have observed from Kohima to Dimapur is kushi di kari tu ekta two lane itu taikan ini cross kurigina divider to be phangi diase aro tadi rasta cross kura tamdi since it was not approved by this the high authority on the health safety to NHT sale logo ito asul tu kurigina hi taikan approve kurigina taikan committee chaigina rasta tu diversion tu saigina huyadi kurile accident born hoy hoi jabo kwa chagati hi itu road divider tu khulibo pare but here amagan taikan contractor kan bi itu balpuri control kubo para nai amagan manu kan bi chaigina ini rasta ami laga hotel yadi ase yadi khuli dibo ina phangi gina khuli dibo ami laga farm yadi jaise itu phangi gina yadi pra cross kurbo tu ina kurina itu overdi kare jai jai so they have every right to make their route no doubt the landowners or whoever taigan rasta to panabole itu highway has to be crossed Olivi taigan first pra hina taigan itu contractors aro itu company kan miligina itu drainage to pon logrina kuri dele bishi balase more than 35 portion is na ina Dimapur road bi pon kurina ase itu rabi rasta bia kore itu bra amakan itu jani gina itu contractor kan logo itu kan miligina itu rasta tu nala tu khuli dile palase and they can have their routes also itu nisna korle palase aro itia ko nisna road divider kan khula itu kan be all of awareness that is also very important now yesterday we went to this Krikuma side to tadi chato yati BSF camera chaigina itu Chakapama takti taikan boat halls ki kya se itu napanagina taikan they have started then drainage itu the contractor also has assured that within 20 days they can clear it up everything within 20 days they are in a position to repair and maintain from BSF camp up to Chakapama itu ekta taikan be itu they have given us the assurance in front of the administration and the police authorities. Then the more critical is the package 2, that is Chakapama to Krikuma, the RD block. So there, Tagala first contractor to late terminate Kurisi, second contractor to Ado, they are supposed to complete the road by January of this year. But that was not done. And the present progress of the road is only 42%. Still they have to go for 58% to improve the road. It were contractors, Amanso Kota Kurilosi administrations, and then the CPO, and then the Chagansus Union also they were there. We all had the discussions together along with the administration. Then the contractor also, Koina Aman Kota Kurilosi, Taikan. By September, they have given 4 months. The company has given 4 months to the contractors. That in any case, within that 4 months, 80% of the work has to come up. Itubra, they have assured that they will deploy more laborers, they will bring more machineries, and within the 4 months, Taigan itu rasta do itu package 2 to Taigan Kuli Devo up to Putsuro from this Krikuma, the Chakapama up to Putsuro to Taigan, itu road smooth Kurina Panaduna Taigan assured Kurse. If they fail to do that, then as per the guidelines, they have to be terminated. The contractor has to be terminated. Itu laga ho jaisi, so contractor also they have agreed and they have delivered that they will do their level best and they come to Kurina, Tipo, Kurina to Kurilose. There, Ekta Bridge, Pangigina Taka to Le by the 20th of June, Karibira Tipo Vina Tagambi assured Kursi. So, likewise, Taigan tadi pansta ase package pansta ase charta package to do administration also civil societies also they are satisfied in the 4 packages except the package 2 that he negligence of the work Taigan goshi change of contractors and then the works are not coming up itula hobra personally we went and then we have discussed hopefully by September they will deliver the roads to the people itu comfortably to itu nishina ase goa nishina positively amar itu nishina kama hatamdi we are happy that Jagasan students union also and the CPO also they have taken initiative positively cooperating with the state government with the administrations aro kurigina inaga issue to loigina hadu it will have an impact and then we are happy that our NGOs are working well and support of the welfare of the people. So the contractors of the package 2 also had the need to take very seriously and then since they have given a word like on time it will work to deliver that is the thing where from the Dimapur to the Chisami road and we have another 2-3 highway which are taken up by the NHSC DLC but Tagan Ityadaptole they are doing well if there's any complaints if they are not it was satisfactory Natagile I am again ready to go and will do for the spot verifications. Yes, actually here the Kohima up to Dimapur since state departments are also involved so the highway engineers were there and then the RO from Kohima all were administrative officers were also there so we all went around and from this PSF camp up to that Chizami Road also the district administrations of both Kohima and then the PAC teachers were also there.
So are you going to monitor the progress of the work, especially from Kikuma?
Yes, for this 4 months vigorously every week we are going to monitor and then we'll there with the district administrations and see the progress of the work because they have assured us so accordingly we have to monitor. If they fails the work, then their offense is terminations. So now both sides, administration also, even I'll also will be serious of monitoring the work and hopefully contractor also will come to interpret. To especially public awareness itu apni number create kortile he pala se ina road safety to so pia kor dia se aro dia olop sorum bi lagi je jami jagina sa to na itu kan taikam laga